in Basic Nation. And she has done so many good things for our Asian community. She has been running everywhere, helping the community, and showing and putting up our mayor. Because of her work, the mayor is in a very good shape. Everyone knows him personally. Thank you so much, Winnie, for coming and meet and greet with our wonderful team, wonderful community leaders are over here. Thank you, everyone who has come. Everyone is important over here. So please have your seats, please, so we can start the event. And now I'd like to mention the person who has organized everything over here. Anubha Shahin, can you come on the stage, please? Because you are the person who has called everyone and called me to come over here. Thank you so much for this wonderful event. Please, I want to give you the microphone right now. So please introduce yourself and introduce why you're doing the event. Please say something for this event. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, and thank you so much for being here today. First and foremost, I want to thank Winnie Greco for being here with us today. Winnie, for leaders like you, we get what we deserve. We get the support, the deserving support, and the acknowledgement. Thank you so much for your work. Thank you so much for being here today. I also want to thank everyone present here today for you guys. You guys paved a path for a generation like me. আপনাদের নির্লস কাজের জন্য আজকে আমরা এখানে আমাদের কাজটা আমরা করে যেতে পারতেছি। And Winnie, I want to tell you, this bunch of people, Bangladeshi people, are the most hardworking people you'll ever meet in your life. And we don't want anything more than acknowledgement, more than a picture. That's why we're called the photo op community. But that's all we need, a picture. We don't want anything more than that. And thank you so much. Our mission aligns. We care for our people. New York City is the place of dreams. And immigrant community is the key to this city's success. And my father, Imam Shaheen, he's been serving the community for over 35 years with Tikana. My dear husband, Ruin Hossein, he's serving the community with a company like Rivertel. Our goal and our main mission is to serve the immigrant community. So our mission and vision, it aligns. And I want to thank Fahad Sulaiman right here. He's the true superstar. And people like him in the mainstream, they're the reason why our voices are being heard. And he's the reason Mir Bashar, Sharia Rahman, Shana Hanif, Shoma Said, they're the reason why we can do what we're doing, basically. So thank you so much for everyone here, for being present here today. Thank you everyone. One more thing. We are doing this today to bridge a gap. আপনারা অনেক কাজ করছেন, এই অনেক বড় এই গ্যাপটা আপনারা পূরণ করে দিয়েছেন, বা তারপর অনেক কাজ বাকি আছে, এখনো অনেক কাজ বাকি আছে আমাদের জেনারেশনের জন্য, আমাদের আপকামিং উঠতি জেনারেশনের জন্য। সো আপনাদের অবশ্যই আপনারা আমাদের সাথে থাকবেন যাতে আমরা এই কাজটা অব্যাহত রাখতে পারি, এই কাজটা আমরা চালিয়ে যেতে পারি। আপনারা, আমার বাবা, আপনারা সবাই যে কাজটা করে গেছেন, এটা যাতে আমরা সুন্দর করে আরো আগায় নিতে পারি। And একটা জিনিস, I feel so honored, so lucky to have Khaled Bhai here, Khaled Moinuddin. আমি অনেক জোরে একটা তালি শুনতে চাই। এটা আমার ভাগ্য যে আমি ওনার মতো একটা মানুষের কাছ থেকে আমি কিছু জিনিস হলেও আমি শিখতে পারবো। না, আমাদের নিউ ইয়র্কের গর্ব এটা, আমাদের নিউ ইয়র্কের ভাগ্য এটা যে ওনার মতো মানুষ আমাদের মধ্যে এখানে এসে আসছেন। And so আপনারা আমাদের সাথে থাকবেন, আমরা ভালো করে কিছু কাজ করতে যাচ্ছি, ভালো কিছু কাজ করতে যাচ্ছি, আপনারা অবশ্যই এটাকে সাপোর্ট করবেন। So thank you so much. Thank you.
So, with your kind permission, we can start the event. So, it's the event. We're gonna share our views, our issues, Let me tell you something, because I have seen her very closely all the time. She's so much close to the mayor that she has the opportunity to do anything she wants to do in the mayor office, legally. So, mayor has, some reason, mayor has to listen to her, because she has done so much for our mayor. And she is one of the reasons that Asian community has been voted for the mayor in the last election. All the Asian community has supported the mayor because of her contribution. So that's why we have her right now over here. So it's whatever the issues are. I know it's not gonna be so easy to overcome all these issues, but at least out of 10, if we can overcome 4 issues, that would be great. That would be a great thing. So I'm gonna go to, it's gonna be tough to go each and every one, but we're gonna take 1 or 2 issues from everyone. And then we're gonna listen from the panelists who's sitting over here. So we're gonna have some views and mission from everyone, the leaders of the city. Everyone is leaders, but it's tough to put everyone over here. So that's why some of them are senior leaders who we always respect. That's why they're here. So I'm gonna go from there. We have Hassan Habib, our community board 8 from Jamaica, which represents 8. He's the community board member from board number 8. So he's here. We have Budul Khan, a Jalalabad Society president. He has been serving the community for such a long time, and one of the biggest organization. He has been the president for that organization, so he's also here. We have so many leaders. I'm gonna go and pass the microphone to everyone, one by one. So let's go with Hassan Habib, and then you pass, please, one question. And if anyone can write down the issues, okay?
Thank you, dear Pastor Anand. It's my pleasure to be there and we can relate with Winnie Greco. Most of us over here, we born in Bangladesh, right? But we came in this country for our better life, for a better future. We don't want anything extra from the city, from the country. All we want are equal share, are equal right and equal opportunity. What you deserve. We don't want anything extra. We are fighting for equal right and equal opportunity. I hope you will fight for our equal share and equal right and equal opportunity. Thank you very much. I don't want to make words this long. Thank you.
Now we're gonna go to our another leader, Budul Khan, please.
Thank you very much. Especially we are just heard Khaled Mohiuddin is here. Reason of that I heard Mr. Shaheen. He called me yesterday. We have some small arrangement. So please, you are here. Especially today is for our Jummah. We can always take a Jummah in our close to our mosque. Especially Khaled Mohiuddin. I meet with you personally. I come to here today, and I believe we are very close to person to our city mayor. She's here, and also our great leader of the community. All are here today. I'm especially give me chance for 1 minute to say some word. I always think I'm grateful to Mr. Tikana. This Tikana is a great for this, especially for our Bengali community in North America. I especially thank you for ex-parliament member M.M. Shaheen, especially thank for her daughter. She is very lovely woman. She will success for her business. We are everybody support her and go far. Thank you very much to give me a minute for this. Thank you.
Hello. Now we're gonna go to another superstar of Bangladesh, former journalist from Bangladesh. He's still a journalist. He still writes on his Facebook. Shamim Shahid. He's very famous in our community. Shamim Shahid.
Thank you. I have to thank Winnie Greco. You helped us a lot, so keep helping us as you did before. I have to say something in Bengali because my friend, আমার বন্ধু খালেদ মহিউদ্দিন এখানে আছে। তো খালেদ মহিউদ্দিন এখানে আছেন মানে আমি খুবই শিহরিত যে সে অন্য কোনো দেশে যায় নাই, আমেরিকাতে আছে। কি বলে কে কে আমার সাথে একমত? হ্যাঁ, আমি খালেদকে বলেছি যে আপনাকে অন্য কোথাও যেতে আমরা দিব না। তো সেক্ষেত্রে শাহিন ভাই অত্যন্ত ভালো মানুষ এবং ঠিকানা এমন একটা পত্রিকা যে পত্রিকা বা যে হাউসটাকে সাপোর্ট করা যায়। অন্যান্য পত্রিকা থেকে আমাদের ফোন দিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য আর আমরা শাহিন ভাইয়ের সামনে যে বসে থাকি, এই হচ্ছে ব্যাপার। তো আমরা শাহিন ভাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আরেকটা ব্যাপার, আমরা যখনই আমরা আমাদের বিদেশিদের হিসাব করি তখন আমরা জিজ্ঞাসা করি যে আপনার পরবর্তী প্রজন্ম কি আপনার এটাকে ধারণ করছে। যখন আমরা দেখি যে আনুভা আসলে ঠিকানার দায়িত্ব নিচ্ছে বা এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে তখন সেটা আমাদের জন্য খুবই আনন্দের হয়। তো ধন্যবাদ, শুভকামনা। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you so much, Shahin bhai, for your contribution. Thank you. I'm going to go to Tahir bhai, a famous journalist and the owner of a Time TV, a famous television in New York. Thank you, Tahir bhai, a very old journalist, young journalist, I'm going to say, very experienced journalist. I'm sorry for that, experienced journalist.
Thank you for your compliments. So, আমার মনে হয় যে আমি বাংলায় বলি। So, শাহিন সাহেব, আমার তো প্রথম শুরু হয়েছিল ঠিকানা থেকে স্টার্ট হয়ে যাবে। অ্যান্ড সিন্স দেন আমরা আমাদের কত স্মৃতি, এটা যদি বলি উই কুড রাইট বিগ বুকস যে একটি মিডিয়াকে দাঁড় করাতে কী করতে হবে এটা শাহিন সাহেব জানেন, আমরা জানি। বিকজ আমার মনে আছে যে বুধবারের ঠিকানা থেকে বের হতো, আমরা সারা রাত কাজ করতাম মঙ্গলবার সকাল থেকে, সিন্স ফ্রম দি মর্নিং দ্য হোল ডে হোল নাইট। অ্যান্ড দেন এরকম একটা সোফা ছিল, আপনারা বসছেন ওই সোফা শাহিন সাহেব শুইতেন, মাথা এদিকে থাকতো, আর একই সোফার মধ্যে আমি শুইতাম, আমার মাথা এদিকে, ওনার পা আমার মুখের উপরে, আমার পা ওনার মুখের উপরে। তারপরে আপনার ঘুম থেকে ওঠার পরে উনি গিয়ে দুবারকে কফি নিয়ে আসতো একটু, অ্যান্ড দেন উই ইউজ টু হ্যাভ সাম কফি অ্যান্ড বেগল নিয়ে আসতো সে। তারপরে আবার রেসপেক্ট পত্রিকা চলে আসতো, অ্যান্ড দেন উই স্টার্ট লেভেলিং করা এটা, রাইট? অ্যান্ড দেন লেভেলিং করাই শেষ ছিল না, এরপরে আমরা এটাকে আবার পুষাপুষি নিয়ে যাই, কান্দে করে, বস্তা কান্দে করে নিয়ে পুষাপুষি করে। একদিন পুষাপুষি নিয়ে যাওয়ার সময় বরফের কাঁচা খেয়ে পড়ে গেছিল। সো আমার সাথে ছিলেন দাউদিয়ার সাথে বলে দেখ কেউ দেখছে কিনা, কারণ কেউ যদি দেখে তাহলে বাংলাদেশে গিয়ে বলবে যে সবাই বস্তা বস্তা কান্দে করে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। সো দ্যাট ওয়াজ আমি এটা এই জন্য বলতেছি, এটা বলতে লজ্জার কিছু নেই বা গর্বের কিছু নেই, বাট দিস দ্য রিয়েলিটি হাউ উই ক্যান বিগিন উইথ এবং প্রবাসে কি সমস্যার মধ্যে দিয়ে আমরা যাই। সো এই যাত্রার মধ্যে দিয়ে এই যে ঠিকানা আজকে অব্যাহত আছে, আই ফিল রিয়েলি অনার্ড অ্যান্ড আমার কাছে খুব ইমোশনাল মনে হয় সামটাইম যে এই যে যাত্রা শুরু হয়েছিল, আমরা আমাদের যে শ্রমটা দিয়েছিলাম এই শ্রমের মধ্য দিয়ে আজকে এখন পর্যন্ত এই পত্রিকাটি টিকে আছে। হাজারো সমস্যা আছে, আপনারা জানেন মিডিয়া ইজ নট ইজি থিং, মিডিয়া ইজ ভেরি টাফ। এর ধারাবাহিকতা আজকে খালেদ মহিউদ্দিন ওনার সাথে আমার দেখা হচ্ছে খুব কম, বাট খালেদ মহিউদ্দিনকে চিনেন এমন লোকের সংখ্যা খুব কম। আমার অফিসে একদিন আগে যখন আপনি আসছিলেন তখন টাইমকে একদিন গিয়েছিলেন। তো আমি যখন উনি আসবে শুনছিলাম, আমি জিজ্ঞেস করলাম যে উনি আসছে, এবং আসার পর যখন ঠিকানা জয়েন করছে ওনাকে আমি ভার্চুয়ালি কংগ্রেচুলেশন করবো। এবং আমি মনে করি যে একজন ক্ষুদ্র মিডিয়া কর্মী হিসাবে ইফ আই ক্যান ডু এনিথিং, আমি মনে করি আমাদের এখানে সুযোগ আছে ভালো মিডিয়াকে এস্টাবলিশ করার। ক্রাউড বাটপারি দান্দাবাজি সাংবাদিকতা বুঝে না, কাউকে একটা মিডিয়া করতেছে, কার পরশু বন্ধ হচ্ছে, কমিউনিটিকে ব্ল্যাকমেল করার চেষ্টা করছে, এগুলো বাদ দিয়ে আমরা যদি ইফ উই ওয়ান্ট হ্যাভ এ গুড মিডিয়া, তাহলে আমাদের গুড মিডিয়া যারা বোঝে এই ধরনের লোক দরকার। এবং খালেদ মহিউদ্দিনকে আমি ওয়েলকাম করি যে আপনি এসেছেন, এবং আমি আশা করি যে আমাদের এই সাংবাদিকতার মধ্যে আমিও তো শুনেন, ইউ আর মাই কম্পিটিটর, রাইট? বাট আমি মনে করি কি জানেন, পজিটিভ কম্পিটিশন ইজ ভেরি গুড অ্যান্ড আই ওয়েলকাম ইট। আর কমিউনিটি এখানে সবাই আসছেন, সবাইকে বলবো যে আপনারা সাপোর্ট করবেন। আপনারা অনেক পয়সা খরচ করেন বিভিন্ন জায়গায়, আমি দেখেছি, কিন্তু মিডিয়ার কথা বললেই পিকনিক হচ্ছে, পিকনিকে $20,000 খরচ। তাই ভাই এই একটা 10টা ছবি পাঠাইছি, 5টা ছবি ছেপে দিয়েন আর একটু নিউজটা দিয়ে, এটাতে পুরো এক পাতা খরচ হয়। সো ভাই একটা বিজ্ঞাপন দেওয়া যাবে না, তাই ভাই বাজেট নেই, কিন্তু বাজেট কিন্তু ওইখানে $20,000 খরচ হচ্ছে পাত খাওয়ার জন্য, রাইট? সো দিস ইজ নট দ্য সাপোর্টেবল। আমি মনে করি যে আপনি চিন্তা করবেন যে আমি যে 300 লোককে যে খাওয়ালাম, এই 300 লোককে যদি আমি 30,000 লোকের মধ্যে স্প্রেড করতে চাই মেসেজ, এই মেসেজ জন্য এই মিডিয়া দরকার আছে এবং এই মিডিয়ার সাপোর্টও দরকার আছে। সো আমি আশা করি আপনারা যে খালেদ মহিউদ্দিন যে দায়িত্বে আছে, এই দায়িত্বে এটা ইটস নট ইজি থিং, ইটস এ ভেরি চ্যালেঞ্জিং, দেয়ার ইজ এ লট অফ মানি ইনভলভ। আপনারা সবাই তাদের সহযোগিতা করবেন। এবং ওনাদেরকে সহযোগিতা করলে আমাকেও সহযোগিতা করা হবে শাহিন সাহেব আমাকে দাওয়াত করেছেন আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ কংগ্রেচুলেশন থ্যাংক ইউ
When you ask something with you, every Winnie is here. You should mention that you need all the newspaper editors should ask for the CDN. She's the one who could help you out. We need CDN for our paper because we have been supporting the newspaper, local newspaper. That's why you're surviving. We're all supporting.
So আপনাদেরকে আমি একটা জিনিস ইনফর্ম করি উনি যেটা বলছেন so since last about 20 years we used to fight with the city to have a share with the advertisement revenue with the activity. During the time of Bridget Blasio, we had few meetings with him, and then he has a executive order, which the city budget, all the ad budget will go 50% for ethical community. So we are getting benefit of during the time of COVID. I think all the media they got benefit of it. Shine by he knows it. City advertisement, all the advertisement, they divided mainstream 50%, then ethnic media is getting 50%. We have more demand. We are talking to Eric Adams, and let's see what happens. And now they are also advertising with the digital media as well. So let's see what happens. We'll keep continue our fight with the city administration. Thank you.
Thank you, Darwin. We're going to go to our another community board member, Mohammad Touheen. He's a community board 8 member. Please.
Assalamu alaikum. First, I'd like to congratulate Chicana newspaper. They've been serving our community from the beginning when our community started going. If there are so many newspapers in this community, but if I have to pick one newspaper to read, then I'll pick Chicana first. The reason I will pick Chicana first, they've been trying to build bridges. Our community with other community, they've been informing us what's going on here and back home. And so I like to thank Chicana for serving the community. And also, the Asian Community Affairs, right? Winnie Greco. I don't know if I pronounce it right. I have a request to you that you have a big job to do, and you know that's our community, one of the fastest growing community in Queens. I think we are the number 4 by population. So you know the mayor wants to win. He needs to, make us happy. There are other candidates, and I know you have a big job. He knows what our demands are. I don't want to say in front of everybody, you know what we want. So I hope you will communicate with him, and it's not he come here to take picture with us. We want to see by his action what he's going to make us happy. Thank you very much for having me here, and thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, Mohammad Touheen. Now we're going to move to another community board member from Bronx. Community Board 1 from Bronx, Shahjahan Sheikh, activist and leader. Thank you, Shahjahan Bhai, for coming.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm humbled and it is my privilege to be here as lots of stars people. These people are representing not only Bangladeshi community in the mainstream. It is my privilege to say thank you to the organizer, the honorable leader, the president of Chicana, who is leading was the former Bangladesh Parliament member, and who is leading the community Bangladeshi, not only the Bangladeshi, all over the South Asian community. Can we give a pause to Mr. Amin Shahid? My heart goes to the country of where it belongs to, even though it is our country, as we are American, Bangladeshi American. But as a birthland of Bangladesh, don't we feel our sorrow for feelings for the natural man-created disaster? There is thousands of people are the victim of flood. We make a commitment, and this is the opportunity, because we get the city official who make the choice to make a support in my country. All I want from Agro administration to support my country for the help of flood victim of Bangladeshi people. Can we get a support from city administration? Sure. Yeah, from city office. Thank you all. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce to say finally few words that gives more option to explore my team. What I am trying to say, there is a city where all the race diverse community, and on this diverse community, Bangladeshi community is a rising voice. Whoever our elected official could be in the city hall, could be in the state assembly. This is the opportunity. Please do not ignore us. Please hear our voice. We fight for Bangladeshi people. We fought for the mainstream politician. It is my opportunity again. I would take much of your time. Thank you for opportunity, and I want to especially thank to Mr. Mohiuddin who served the European Union community and all. Right now is the bigger platform in United States and across the world. Thank you all for the opportunity. Thank you again. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Make sure that our community, Shajan Sheikh, our voice will be only counted when we go for voting. You know that. So make sure that your community vote one member from Bronx. Make sure the area you belong, make sure that people from that community, especially the Bangladeshi community, register for vote. Doesn't matter they register for Republican or Democrat. Just make sure they go for voting and register for vote. Our voice will be only counted when we go for voting. Thank you. Okay, I just want to add up that. Okay. And also we have a shortage of time, you know that. So please, we have to keep it short and simple. Before that, I'd like to call upon Mr. Ghias Ahmed, the FOBANA chairman for New York. So he's here. I'd like to tell, please can you have your seat over there, please? Please sit over there, please. And also, Muhammad Ali Bhai, a community activist and community board 12 member. And also, he's working with our Jennifer Rajkumar. So he's also here. Can you have a seat over there? Chandra, please. You also sit over there. Oh, you want to be there? Okay. We have to keep it short and simple. So please, we're gonna keep your speech a little short because everyone has to go. I'm gonna go to Mr. Alamin, community activist from Jamaica. Please.
Thank you so very much. I'm really honored to be here. I have an appeal to Ms. Garko that in Jamaica area, there are 3 killed in last 6 months. Can mayor office work on it very closely? That is my appeal to you for mayor office. বাংলায় আসি সেটা হলো যে আমরা যেখানে বসেছি রিভার্টে এটা আসলে আমি জানতাম না যে এখানে কী হবে। আমি একটু বিজনেস আইডিয়াটা বলতে চাচ্ছি আপনাদের জন্য। ফার্স্ট অফ অল কংগ্রাচুলেশনস। এখানে আমাদের বাংলাদেশে একটা লার্জ নাম্বার স্টুডেন্ট কাজ করে। তো আমি বেসিক্যালি আমার পরিচয়টা আমি এভাবে দিতে চাই, আমি এখানে স্টুডেন্টদেরকে নিয়ে কাজ করি। প্রায় 13,000 বাংলাদেশি স্টুডেন্ট এখানে আছে, যারা এখানে বর্ন ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্টুডেন্ট অথবা ইমিগ্রেন্ট। এই 13,000 স্টুডেন্টদেরকে নিয়ে আমাদের কমিউনিটি তেমন কোনো কাজ নেই, বা আমি বলতে পারি যে কোনো কাজই নেই। আমরা বলি যে আমরা ইউথদেরকে নিয়ে কাজ করছি, কিন্তু খুব বেশি একটা আমরা দেখি। এই জন্যই ইউথরা আমাদের কমিউনিটিতে আসতে চাচ্ছে না, এটা বড় গ্যাপ হয়ে আছে। তো আমি ঠিকানা এবং যারা আছেন পত্রিকা যারা আছে, আমি অনুরোধ করবো, তারা কিছু কিছু কাজ করছি, অনুরোধ করবো যে একটা ব্রিজ তৈরি করা যায় কিনা আমাদের ইউথদের সঙ্গে এবং রিভারকে, যেমন একটা বিজনেস আইডিয়া হতে পারে যে এটা তো আপনার সেম রাইট। এই যে স্টুডেন্ট যারা আছে, ইভেন যারা আপনার কী বলে এটা যারা ট্যাক্সিতে কাজ করছেন, এই কমিউনিটি যদি আপনি টার্গেট করেন, এটা কিন্তু একটা বড় একটা হতে পারে। আরেকটা বিষয় হলো যে পত্রিকাগুলো আজকে দেখবেন, আমি আজ থেকে বেশ আগে যে আপনার নিউ ইয়র্ক টাইমসের কথা যদি আমি বলি, নিউ ইয়র্ক টাইমস কী হতো এক সময় যে সানডেতে যখন এই ভিতরের খবরপত্রগুলো দিতে হতো প্রায় 4,000 এক একটা আপনার নিউজ স্টেশন। এখন কিন্তু তারা চলে গেছে সরাসরি অনলাইন। $1 করে যদি আমি উইকলি দিই, আমি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে পারছি। আমাদের নিউজ পেপারগুলো যদি, বাংলাদেশের নিউজ পেপারগুলো যদি এই অনলাইন সিস্টেমে চলে আসে যে আমি $1 দিব, আমি $1 আমি যদি মান্থলিও দেই কেন, তাহলে যদি আপনার যদি 5,000 স্টুডেন্ট যদি আপনার সাবস্ক্রাইব করে, 2,000 যদি ট্যাক্সি ড্রাইভার সাবস্ক্রাইব করে, এবং এই নিউজ পেপারের মাধ্যমে যদি আপনি লাইভ গান শুনতে পারেন, লাইভ ডিউটিগুলো শুনতে পারেন, তাহলে ট্যাক্সি ড্রাইভার এবং ওই স্টুডেন্টরা কিন্তু, আমি হয়তো স্টুডেন্টের কথা বলতে পারি গ্যারান্টি দিয়ে, 5,000 সাবস্ক্রাইবার আপনাদের হবে উইদিন 6 মান্থ। সো এই কাজগুলো কিন্তু আপনারা করতে পারেন। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you so much for the advice, but only we're going to talk about the issues. Thank you. Rabbi Bhai.
Good afternoon, Ms. Vinay, and I would like to extend my thanks to Shaheen Bhai especially to arrange this event, and I have the opportunity to bring a issue to your attention. Mayor office is working so closely with different ethnic groups, but especially our Bangladeshi group, we are growing now in our area. At the same time, I'm asking your office to establish a cell, monitoring cell, with the normal people who gonna have easy access and can bring all their problems to mayor attention, especially different areas, different board, district-wise, there is some issues which they are unavailable, the administration locally to resolve the problems. I don't know what is the funding problem or there is a coordination problem with the mayor office. So this is the big issues like some security measures, at the same time recreation center, parks, those I think you need to work immediately for the facilitate all the peoples living in a district wise. And আমি এখন বাংলায় just I want to be excused to speak, to letting out my feelings to the gentleman, special personality in our journalism world, Mr. Khaled Mohideen. So Khaled ভাই, আমি অত্যন্ত খুশি, শুধু আমি না, আমার সাথে আমাদের যারা বাংলাদেশিরা এই নিউ ইয়র্কে বসবাস করছি, আপনার উপস্থিতি হয়তো আমাদের এই সাংবাদিকতা জগতে নতুন একটা ধারা তৈরি করবে। আমরা অত্যন্ত ক্লান্ত, এখানে আমার যারা সাংবাদিক ভাইরা আছেন আমাকে ক্ষমা সুন্দর দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন, কিছু মনে করবেন না। আমরা চাই আমাদের নতুন ধারার সাংবাদিকতা শুরু হোক। আমি বলছি না নিউ ইয়র্কে হচ্ছে না বা হয়নি, কিন্তু আমরা চাই নতুন একটা বিপ্লব ঘটুক সাংবাদিকতায়, নতুন কিছু আমরা দেখার অপেক্ষায়, আর এই প্রবাসে বসে দেশকে গড়ার প্রত্যয় আমরা সবাই একসাথে কাজ করব। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you so much. So we have to make it fast because we're going to hear from our chief guest. So we're going to take only the issues, please. 1 minute. Thank you. Jassim Bhai, the community activist.
Assalamu alaikum. Let me take a pride. I'm going to take time. I'd like to make the bridge with our mayor office delegate with our new pride of the community, Khaled Mohideen. Since the Bangladesh community proved itself to the New York City's development, we, the Bangladeshi community, demand upcoming mayor elections. We should have few, commissioner position to serve the Bangladeshi as well as the Asian community. So we'll like to have your voice to heart to the administration that we don't want anymore just giving their vote and money, don't get anything. So this is the time our communities demand. We should have few commissioner position for the next administration, where we have the qualified people surrounding you. I like to talk to Khaled Mohideen Bhai in Bangla. Khaled Bhai, I taking the pride that 90-te যখন এই দেশে আসি, I have the privilege and start working with the Tikana as a sports reporter. আজকে আমি জাসির, I can take it very proudly. এই জাসির নামটাকে এই ঠিকানা ইন্ট্রোডিউস করছে। এই ঠিকানার কারণে 33 বছরে আমি জাসির হতে পারছি। তো আমরা চাবো খালেদ মহিউদ্দিন ভাইয়ের নেতৃত্বে ঠিকানা তার সেকেন্ড জেনারেশন যে দায়িত্বটা আজকে কমিউনিটিকে এবং নেশনকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করছে, সেই ধারাবাহিকতাটা আপনার হাতে সেকেন্ড পেজে যাবে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
In every aspect, I have to call her. Anuba Shaheen, can you please come on the stage? So both of you now run the show because now the important part are coming and this is your part. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Father, kind words.
Let me eat my lunch.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Don't eat all of it. Save some for us. First of all, Willie, thank you so much. I just want to explain a little more. So, you see, like, when the community comes together, right? The love for each other and our platforms and our business is so much more that we're not even willing to talk about the issues. There's no, it's like, we are more willing to talk about each other and support each other. Everyone's here in the spirit of that. We're not complaining. So that speaks a lot, to add on what my wife already said. That speaks a lot about how this community is. We are, Bangladeshi community is all about compromise, right? And that's one thing we have learned. There's nothing that we won't sacrifice to achieve for the greater goal. If you've seen what's been going on, but I don't want to get too much in details. First of all, thank you so much for coming. It was a short notice type of arrangement, and thank you, Baba, for inviting everybody in such a short time. And Anuba, we just had our first baby. She's 11 months old, but it still feels brand new. So it's still a hustle every day. But I think Fahad Bhai and you and Collective, because we know you through mostly Fahad Bhai and everybody else that he has made the accessibility to the mayor's office and the officials coming into our houses, into our businesses. So at least to give us, to lend us your ears. I want to thank Fahad Bhai and everybody else here. Everyone here plays a role in that. Obviously, they're all our esteemed guests and our families. But I think two things, right? I think one is, do you love rice? You love rice, and you're Chinese, I believe, Chinese cuisine, and we have that. That's our staple food, rice and fish, right? So essentially, if you look at it from the outside looking in, there's nothing specifically we need for the Bangladesh community itself, right? It's betterment, it's continued advancement in everything. We can talk of, we are media, we are Chicana, we are Time Television, we are IPTV, everyone that's working in this field, right? You see, media is a very thankless job. I'm not from media, by the way. I'm not from media. I don't think it's a financially feasible business and all that, but everyone that does it this is more about service than anything else out there, right? Because a lot of people have stated that is a problem. There are a lot of existing, the system is there to help everybody out, but I think it leaves more to be desired. So I would encourage you to look into that a little bit. But in the spirit of continuation of what you've already done and what you've already built, I heard that Fahad Bhai is leaving the community soon. So I think there needs to be continuation. There needs to be continued representation, and we are all going to do whatever we can for it, right? And you are always going to be part of our family. And you look wonderful, by the way. That's my wife's favorite color. But that's secondly, thank you all who have been kind enough to say wonderful things about Chicana and everything we have done and everything we have built. Even though it's not about this, but at the end of the day, this is every time the community gets together, we appreciate what we already have. And in light of that, this is also not a formal reception for Khalid Muhyiddin Bhai. I'm glad that I'm glad that he receives as much love as he does. But for those of you who don't know him, who you're sitting next to is actually he is, I think, the first or maybe one of the best known or most known global Bangladeshi journalist celebrity, right? And what I mean by that, just to elaborate, he's not, maybe he doesn't go out looking for the news or searching the camera, but what he does is he stays unbiased and he interviews two people. Now, his style of reporting is two people sitting there, one with a, you know how you have debates here in the US, you have Republican and Democrat, whatever. So you would have two guests essentially, and and he is probably one of the best hosts I've ever seen in my life, and I've been an incredible fan of him from day one. And he didn't come to necessarily work for Chicana in newspaper and stuff like that. Me, Onuba especially, and Baba have been trying since the pandemic. After the pandemic, business took a hit for everybody. Things were looking bad, things were looking grim, businesses were shutting down left and right. It was incredibly difficult, but thanks to the community support, Chicana stayed on, Chicana survived. But after that, I think we all had to sit down and we're like, okay, this cannot be it. Why don't we have a Bangladeshi CNN? Why don't we have a Bangladeshi Al Jazeera? Why don't we have a Bangladeshi media institution with helicopters with the name on it, right? And it's New York City. It's New York City. If there's one place where we can dream of such a platform, this is where that's going to happen. And you are sitting next to, our first step is bringing someone like him on board to help us build something like that. We're not where we want to be. We are not perfect. We have so much more to do. Collectively as a community, in each and every one of our businesses, right? Rivertel is actually the first Asian-owned telecom company. I used to say just Bangladeshi, but I actually looked, no, there's no Chinese owned, there's no Japanese owned, there's no Taiwanese owned, there's no Asian-owned telecom companies in the US. We are licensed in all 50 states. We're a telecom company offering talk, text, data, international calling. And you know, we did not start with millions of dollars. I don't have millions of dollars to start, right? I started with this much money and this much hope. And because of the support of the community, I was able to establish the FCC that, hey, at least for the Bangladeshi community, at least for the Southeast Asian community, we are going to be able to fill a gap, bridge a gap in the market that nobody else is going to do. T-Mobile is not going to be able to do what we're going to be able to do. Rivertel, in less than 8 months of our service, we already have more than 25,000 customers. And we didn't even, there's not one person here that can say we have even told them how to buy our product. It's happening, it's like magic, it's automatically happening. So there's beauty in this, there's magic in this, right? And I think we're grateful that you're part of it, and the administration is a part of it, and every one of you, Zafar, uncle, or my, I'm sorry, it's your uncle one way, bhai the other way, but you know, everyone here, yes, uncle, every one of you here are playing a big role in that, and we're all doing our best. But I think if we all get together and if we all support each other, we can do better. And Winnie, Mayor's office, we're all incredible people. There's no, I don't see one negative thing about this community other than that we're all working really hard. Most of us came from nothing. Most of us came from nothing. We're next gen. Right now our country just went through a massive, massive shift. Everyone is contributing, and on top of that, on top of the government shift, there's a massive flood. So if you saw our social media, if you saw our Facebook, if you saw Instagram, you will see that everyone came together. Everyone united. Everyone is sending money, either sending money. Some people are already leaving. They're wearing lungis and getting down to the brass tacks. I think now is the time for Bangladeshi community to rise, and I'm incredibly proud of this entire community. I'm incredibly proud of the mayor's office for helping us out in every way they can. Yes, there are things we would change. There are things we would complain about. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here to meet you. We're here to enjoy some good biryani and appreciate all the love we have for each other. Thank you so much. And Khaled Muhyiddin, we need a special day to celebrate his welcome. We need a special day for that. Okay, but you can start. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Is the food ready?
Very, very much for your patience. And we'll take another 10 to 15 minutes, if you forgive us. Okay. Let me introduce some of our community leaders. They do a tremendous job to build this community. And I have a friend, brother, Delwar, Fakrul Islam Delwar, probably you know him. He worked with Mr. Mayor, and he worked with all of the distinguished our city officials, and he's a very dynamic person. There is a editor of the Prabhash Patrika, is a very prominent newspaper. My colleague, he is Mr. Saeed. Thank you very much for coming here. This is S.M. Jahangir. He's a writer, and he's a community activist. He used to be. Now he moved to Bangladesh. He is here. Thank you very, very much for coming, Jahangir Bhai. And there is a Super Mama or Super Mama. He is also a writer. He is a very renowned writer. He writes songs especially, and he is a very good person. Thank you very much for coming. Over here, Aditya Shaheen, everybody knows him. He is a very renowned journalist, and thank you very much. And here is Manjur. He is my younger brother. He works for Pratham Alo Uttar America. He is a great man, great person, and thank you very much for coming. Sayyid Alambhai, sorry. Sayyid Alambhai, he also is a very dynamic person. He works for the community, and plus he works for one of the largest home care, I believe, yeah. And I miss anybody here? Yeah, over there in the back, There is my colleague, and he's a very renowned journalist, Shahidul Islam. He is a news editor of the Tikana newspaper. And thank you very much. Thank you. And here is also senior journalist who worked for last 35 years, and she is my colleague. And Nashrat Ashian Chaudhuri Nashrat, she is very renowned, and she works for Tikana a long time. And here is a Baila. Baila Selena, she is also is a good person. She is standing here. I don't know why, but she is a good writer. She is a good activist also. There are also some journalists here. I used to work for Time TV, right?
I used to work for Time Television.
Oh, now is it from Joy Bangla?
Bangladesh.
Oh, Joy Bangladesh. Oh, I see. He's a very young, dynamic person. He is a presenter. And thank you very much for coming. Did I miss anybody there? Oh, Alamgir Bhai. He is a big person. He is a promoter. He's a good guy. He's a big man. He's a promoter like all the Bangladeshi actors, singers, and this and that. He brings every year in New York. And thank you very much, Alam Bhai, for coming. And Manohar Bhai, he is our brother. He's a big person. He is looks like he's a very quiet person, but he is a very big person. He is the president of Bangladesh. There is a producer association in Bangladesh, and he is an elected president of that in Bangladesh. He just came visit here, and I asked him yesterday, last night, and he just came. Thank you very much. And one more thing that I wanted to tell. You see, Miss Winnie, I don't know when she confirmed, but she confirmed late afternoon. And I called everybody here in the after, like 8 p.m. And with the all short notice, the dynamic and our Proudy leaders are here. With the short notice of this, you came here. On behalf of Ms. Winnie Big, I wanted to thank you very much, and especially on their side, that I wanted to tell you, you are a great person. You've been in a very patient, because you came for an hour, and still you gave us a lot of time, and we will take another few minutes. Oh, Salim Bhai. Salim, he's our, is a leader. He is upcoming election, the umbrella, the umbrella organization, Bangladesh Society. He is the candidate of president, and he is a secretary general also candidate. Wish you all the best and good luck. So now, Badul Bhai, you talked already, right? You want to say something else? Okay. Oh, my friend Kinu. Oh, I'm so sorry. My friend Kinu, I missed your name. Skinny Chaudhary. We are long time friend in America. Okay. You want to say something? Dalwar? She is little bit rushed. You sure? If you do not mind, Winnie wants to go in Manhattan, and she is very rushed. She had to go 5 o'clock, and she came here for 3:30, but unfortunately it's almost 4 o'clock. Would you mind if I don't give you a chance to say a few? You sure? Because you are our really honorable people in our community. They are the most honorable people in our community.
Mostly we like to hear from her.
Yes.
So that is
But you might have something to say to her.
That is our privilege. So and
You want to say something? Eh? Dr. Jafar Mahmood? Eh? Acha. Khalid Bhai. This program is not for Khalid Bhai. Eh, we will have a program in the future for Khalid Bhai. Yes. Yes. And we will have a, I believe it's a big gathering. Inshallah.
Belwar, everybody, including other leaders. Salim, thank you very much to come here, and we will see again Winnie in this kind of event, and we will have a much time to express our feelings. Thank you, thank you.
Our next speech, please, Abu Ibrahim from Jafar Bhai. He's a freedom fighter and also Abu Zafar Mahmoud. And he's a freedom fighter and also he's a community board member. Please.
Thank you very much. Really, we are proud of you as because you represent us with our honorable man in a prestigious position on behalf of our great Asian community. That's it. And in here, Mr. Ayman Shaheen, he is one of the leader. Not only that, he is the pioneer of our leadership in the media, Bangladeshi media here. And I am in here to acknowledge that. Whenever I start writing the column in the newspaper, it is his newspaper, Tikana. That way, now I am a writer of the book and others that initiated Tikana together. And I am grateful to them. Thank you very much, Shaheen Bhai. And as you always address me, leader, as because I am a leader. Thank you very much.
So we're gonna finish now with Kopri from the yard. You're gonna miss him. You're gonna miss this guy, the young leader from community. He's also a member of Community Board 8. Please, 1 minute.
I'm not going to take much of the time. We are standing among the distinguished leader and the beloved face of the Bangladeshi community. Although it's very short notice, these are the leaders, and behind these leaders, the whole community. I don't want to waste the time naming everybody, but all are distinguished in their field. Tikana is the root of Bangladeshi community. Tikana gave the identity to the Bangladeshi community in the capital of the world, which is New York City. We call the capital of the world. We are happy with the mayor, but the thing is, we're honored that mayor put you as the Asian advisory as mayor, deputy mayor. But the thing is, Bangladesh community is one of the outlying community and underrated community. We have been part of helping fabrics in this community. Mayor is coming to our houses, but we are not getting our fair share. Bangladeshi's community has been deprived. He's been calling our brother. I know Mayor in a personal level. I have his personal number. Every time we see him, he's our brother. He's coming to my answering me. He's coming to my house. So when it comes to fair share, my community is not. Bangladesh community is playing a vital role in New York City. Just like every other community, our community, one of the peace-loving community, and every community Bangladesh people start to live, that community grows, that community beautifies. So a mayor needs to truly, not just say Bangladesh community is his friend, is his brother, but truly we need a seat at the table, we need a position, and we need to respect the Bangladesh community. Give the respect and the share of what this community deserves. And we congratulate you for the work you do, and we proud of the work you do. We are friends of the mayor, they're in support of the mayor, but I think there's more rooms for him to accommodate our community, not just coming to our house and just calling us friends, but truly put us on the table where the decision is being made. Thank you so much.
Okay. So now we're gonna finish the event, but the finishing will be done by Rubin and Anuba, who have arranged this event. So we're gonna finish our interview right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you to everyone. We are incredibly grateful. I'm sorry really if we took longer, but I think it's out of love. You know, there was almost no complaint. You probably heard the least complaints ever. And we should get an award for that. Being the best community, but thank you. We're very grateful. And thank you for the esteemed members of our community who are all like guardians. Everyone standing near you, around here, over here. We all love each other. And they make the community what it is, and we're incredibly proud. And since my first day here, I came late. She was born here. But I came when I was 16 and a half years old as a student. Since then till now, I have got more support here being a Bangladesh than I have in Bangladesh itself. So that is something that people really, I don't think people appreciate that enough, right? So thank you so much. But you cannot leave without biryani, because you know, that would be rude. You have to have a little bit. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
I forgot to say something. And also I want to invite everybody, please send our the list if you want to join our September 12th, the Appreciation AAPI Event Autumn Festival. Okay? Please send it. And yes, and the last report. Today, you know,